Hello guys, welcome today to Hyper Angel, and my video is called The White Boat I Always Wanted for my birthday. And right now I'm in the white boat that's the one for my video, and here it goes. Come on, Dad, do we really have to go on that old boat? I mean, it's so old it might even sink in the middle of the ocean. Oh, honey. Okay, I'll get you new. Can we get the white one, the new white one, please? Fine, honey. Yay! I'm 16, so I should get my own boat. This should be yours, okay, Dad? Okay, honey.
Yeah.
Yay!
It's our
Good.
boat.
It will let us. Thank you, Dad, for buying me this awesome new white boat. I love it. Now let's see what's its name. I don't know, honey. Let's go find out. Sea swirl? Sea swirl. Wow. That's a cool name, sea swirl. I thought it was ocean scraper. I love that name. Yeah, I'm never gonna use that old boat. I'm gonna use this one.
I'm not gonna use that boat. I'm gonna use the white boat.
Hey, Kenneth, I never said that you can share my boat with my boat. Fine, you can share me because it's too big for just one person. Come on, I can't wait to go on the boat. Honey, you have to clean it first. Okay.
There's something on
Cool.
there.
Well, later. Dad, I'm done cleaning it. Can I go and check it out now? Sure, honey. Let's go.
Come on.
Okay. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad. I really love it. Thanks so much. I'm gonna get on it. That's how you get on it? It's so, whoa, that's so awesome. Check it out, guys. And it even has that little way to go all the way to the top. So awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go check the date. Dad, I'm gonna go check the deck. Can I go? Sure, honey. Yay!
Dad, can I go
I'm
up
gonna go
here?
check the deck.
Yes, honey.
I'm gonna go check the deck.
Look at everyone up here.
Yeah, it's so awesome. Look over there.
There's a hole there.
What? Oh yeah, that's for the gasoline.
Whoa.
Look at that old boat. I'm not gonna drive over there. I'm gonna be over here.
Yeah,
in
I'm gonna be
paradise.
over here too. Yeah, I'm gonna be over here.
Paradise. And even has little mirrors and stuff.
Yeah,
Look at the driver's seat.
Yeah.
This is so awesome, guys. You guys should get this
Yeah,
boat.
we're gonna catch fish.
Oh my God, you guys should totally buy this boat. This is awesome. Check it. It has a radio for emergencies only. It has so many buttons. Like, guys, look, if I do that, look over there. Just look at the pedal, and it turns over there.
Stop.
And then
Can I do that, Keone? Can I do that, Keone?
guys, this is so, wait, what's in here? I'm gonna check it out. Open up here. Whoa, it opens up there. Whoa. Whoa. That is so awesome. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's so awesome.
Let's check here. We need to. We're gonna say.
Bye, guys. That's so awesome. Well, look how many seats there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seats. And then maybe you can sit there, but the engine might be too loud. Can I spin the wheel? Look, it spins. Okay. So you can put your bottles there. What's in here? I don't know what's in there, but this boat is very awesome. Thank you for watching my latest video and my coolest video I could ever had, because I got the most money from my other videos and my other YouTube channel. And yeah, I had 1,000 people liking it, so I got a lot of money. So my dad decided to buy this boat. It's my boat, and remember my mom's and dad's. Well, we can't actually go on it because it only has 2 lightsabers, like that floating thingy, and yeah. So I hope you guys like watching my video. Bye!